In this course, we are going to demonstrate how to display a policy schedule and add a document set. To access the eCARE system, the member or agent must enter the email, password, and click the Sign In button. Click the Policy Document tab to view documents that are uploaded on the policy. Click the Documents tab to access the policy schedule, letter of good standing, and/or add a new document set. 3 document sets were added on the policy, namely the letter of good standing, claim requirements documents, and the policy schedule. Click the Browse Document Sets icon to add another document set. Click the Document Set drop-down list button to select the required document set. Click the Save icon to confirm the selection. Click the Email document set to attach a relevant document. Note there is 0 attachments currently. Click on the tile to continue. Give the document a brief description and click the Choose Files option. Double-click the relevant document and click the Upload Document icon. Click the Open in New tab to open the attached document in another tab, or click the Download icon. Click the Close icon to return to the previous screen. Click the Open in New tab icon to open the policy schedule document in another tab. Click the Download icon to download the document. Select the Logout option to exit the screen. Congratulations! You have successfully displayed a policy schedule and added a document set.